ingredients we require: 1 large bunch of spinach, clean and cut, 1 large potato cut cube sized, 1 onion chopped, a few strands of coriander leaves, 3 chilies. For the masala, we would require a teaspoon of garam masala, chili powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, coriander powder, jeera powder, ginger garlic paste, and salt to taste. Blanch spinach in water for 2 minutes. Heat some oil in a pan. Once oil is heated, add some cumin, add chopped onions, cook them till light brown. Once the onions are light brown, add the potatoes. And add all your masalas. Mix all the masalas evenly and let them cook until the potatoes are soft. Keep stirring them in between to ensure the potatoes don't stick to the bottom. Now you can add salt for taste. Once spinach blanched, drain the water and let it cool. Once the spinach is cooled, we will blend in the spinach, coriander, chilies. We could add some ginger and some garlic. Blend in together to make a paste.